A fully updated method in the latest version of Android. If that's your case, and you formatted your phone and it's left with this padlock icon, you were left in the accessibility settings and you connected to a Wi-Fi network. But you still have that block to deal with of screen and you still have your Google account. If you forgot all that today, don't worry because we'll help you to explain step by step what it will do and how you will be able to recover your device. We'll explain it to you in a quick and easy way. In this video tutorial, we're going to use a tool that is completely accessible to anyone. Will be able to do this recovery process. But what we recommend is watching the step-by-step video tutorial too, so you don't miss any details and can troubleshoot your device and to recover in this way. I also want to recommend other methods. We have several methods, not just this one. We have other methods that we have left in the video description and in the first pinned comment are those other methods that we have done in this on this channel. Having said all that, what we're going to do now, it's about connecting to a Wi-Fi network because we need to. We need to have internet on our phone. We need to have internet access, both on our phone and on our PC. We need to be connected to a Wi-Fi network. Let's click Next. We'll click here. We click here and we click Next, and now we're going to click all that journey to get to where this screen lock appears. As we can see here, this block appears. From the screen, we see what is the Google account. Here we see the Google account. Having said all that, what do we need? I'll show you where you can get it from. I'm going to explain where you can download this tool from. But before you download the tool, I always recommend this to avoid any problems. What needs to be done is to temporarily deactivate the antivirus. Why? So that when we run the tool, the antivirus doesn't block the tool. So, having said all that, let's go to our PC and let's go to begin the recovery process, as we have indicated. In the video description and in the first pinned comment we have many more completely different methods in the latest updates. Let's go here to our PC. We're going to go to our antivirus settings and disable the following options. Pay close attention. Let's go here where it says Virus and Threat Protection. Let's click on it. We'll click further down where it says Manage. In this setting, we're going to temporarily disable this first option, where it says Real-Time Protection. When we finish the process, what we would be doing is reactivating it. Okay, now we're going to use our Google browser here. It has to be a Google browser. Then we're going to write exactly what appears here on the screen. You're going to write David Cell. Exactly as it appears on the screen, they will write David Cell. Then you'll scroll down here and you'll find this entry that says devicel.com. Let's spell it out for others, for other people who they might be in other languages and not be pronounced correctly. That's not. Pronounce it well, DCEL. Let's spell it out. It would be DEV. iCelled would show this option that says davidl.com. Here you will be able to find what this entry is about. While you're here on this page, what you're going to do is scroll down to the latest entries. You're going to scroll down here and you'll be able to find this entry that says Apps Davidl, David Cell Applications, or Apps David Cell. If you select this option, it will take you to this section. Now here you will also be able to find many methods. Completely different, updated methods you will find here. You're going to go down here. You'll be able to. Let's find a method using a PC and a method without a PC. Going down here we will find the tool we're going to use today in this video tutorial. Here we not only have many tools in the latest Android updates. Having said all that, you will be able to find it here. Here we will use this tool that we will be using. We downloaded the tool. After downloading it, we will search for and extract the tool. We click on the extract tool and this tool will ask you for a password. Everything has to be in capital letters. Everything in capital letters. That's how they're going to write it. They write in capital letters, then you would be left with this folder. You're going to double-click it and scroll down to the last options. Here you will find this Android device that appears here. You will right-click on it. You're going to click here where it says, Run as Administrator. You're going to say yes. You will have to wait 30 seconds for the tool to fully open. Once the tool is fully open, we won't do anything. We're going to leave it exactly as it will appear on the screen. Let's wait those 30 seconds for that tool to appear. That's why it's always recommended to watch the step-by-step video tutorial, so you don't miss any details and can find a solution. And recover your device if you've forgotten what that Google account was. Here we have our device. Our tool, and we're going to use what this is. Section that says Remove FRP in your latest version of Android. Here it is. Having said all that, what we're going to do is connect our phone. Let's connect our device. We connect it. We connected it. It's fully connected now. Now what we would be doing is selecting the option that we had shown you how to remove FRP in its latest update. We're going to click on it. We click on it and now it will be done. The process would be executing correctly. Let's take it down and place it here. We'll leave it here. We'll wait. Now, a bar would be loading here on this side. Loading a progress bar which the PC has to beep to complete the process. When the PC beeps and successfully loads to 100%, this is the level here that is at 0. We would already be starting the recovery process. That means the process is going well. Let's wait. It started loading. The line is loading. The PC already beeped. The PC sounded fine. It sounded correct. Our device is now going to restart. It's going to restart. We wait. Here it says Run FRP. Remove. Let's go. It's been restarted here. It has restarted. We wait a few seconds. We wait a few seconds for the process to complete correctly. It's playing here. We're not going to disconnect it under any circumstances. We're going to keep it connected. No, you shouldn't unplug it because it would now be restarting for the second time. Our phone will restart and a screen will appear on the phone. When the screenshot appears on our phone and if it restarts, the program will be formatting it. It would be restored more easily. Here we can see, here it tells us, now it restarts. And now our phone is fully completed. This formatting process that starts here usually takes a few minutes. Some of us can already disconnect it. We unplugged it and now we'll wait. until it takes us directly to the beginning. Let's wait until it takes us directly to the home page. That's why it's always recommended to watch the video tutorial, step by step, so you don't miss a single detail. And you can troubleshoot and recover your device. As we had previously indicated from the beginning, from the video description and in the first comment, we have fixed it. We have many more methods, many methods with tools. A tool that will allow us to solve and be able to recover our phone with just one click. There is a tool that usually recovers our device with 2 clicks. Another 3 clicks there, 4 clicks up to 5 and 6 clicks. We'll be explaining everything here. These phones have some tools that completely removes the Play Store. You see that you have the Play Store deleted. What I recommend is to reset it again from the settings. Go to Settings, About Phone, and then to Reset. Okay, our device is now completely restarting, and what we're going to do is finalize the process. Configuration. We're going to configure it. Let's leave it in the same language it was in. We'll leave it in the same language. Click Accept here, and now let's configure it quickly. If you want to set it up quickly, you don't need to have any SIM cards entered on your phone. If you don't have it, click here to start. You click on Add. You click here on Manual. You click on Manual. You click here to deactivate. You click here to skip. Clicking Jump here will quickly give you the option. You press Jump, Jump. You press More. More. Accept. In addition, Add. Next, let's wait for. Complete the setup process this easily and quickly. We would be completing the recovery process. As we can see here, our phone is now fully recovered.